Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to cancel your Netflix subscription. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. Now in case you ever wanted to go back to Netflix at a cheaper or a better price, scroll down until you see the first link in the description or the first link in the comment section below. Once you do that, it will send you to GamsGo, which will help you share passwords under one account with others, like a family. It's very safe and a lot of people use it. I've been using it myself for the past 3 years and I saved a lot of money. All you have to do is literally click on here and it will show you this page where you can choose however many months. So for 12 months, you can even have a promo code and you can say for the promo code that's going to go gummy. And then once you do that and apply it will give you 5% off discount. Now to cancel your subscription, all you have to do is select the profile that you are signed on and that you can use, such as this one. Once you are on the Netflix page, open this icon, scroll down until you go to the account. Once you click on it, it will show you this page where you can go to the premium plan, manage membership, and then from here you can cancel membership just like that. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.